So today we're going to continue, we're going to actually start working with ratio tables. This is part of your 7th grade curriculum. They really want you to make sure that you understand ratio tables and you know how to get from one number to another. So basically you're going to be filling in the ratio tables. So what you're learning today is to complete a ratio table by multiplying or dividing a number. So here's your example, and hopefully you will able to complete the rest of them. Now, to use a ratio table, sometimes you have to build it yourself, but in this case, I went ahead and built it for you. So it says use a scale factor to fill out the missing numbers on the ratio table. For every bracelet Julie makes, she uses 12 beads. So in other words, you have 12 beads for one bracelet. And that's basically what she told you at the beginning. So that's why we have beads for the words. And remember, this is your ratio table, so you have to have your words. You have to have the original ratio, and then the new ratios is the rest of them that you have. So in order for us to go from 12, if I want to make 2 bracelets, so I need to go to 2, I need to multiply this by 2, and this one by 2, times 2, and that gives you 24. Now you could also go to 3 bracelets, so that's going to be times 3. So 12 times 3, this is going to be filled up by 36. And then you go from this one times 4. So that's going to be times 4. So 12 times 4 will give you 48. So basically, if you really think about it, you are, times 4, sorry. You are just multiplying to get from one section to the other. And if you really think about it, it's skip counting. So it's skip counting the beads and skip counting by 12, 24, 36, 48, and the bracelets is by 1, 2, 3, and 4. So when you're looking at relationships with ratios, basically that's what you're looking for. You're looking for equivalent ratios. So 12 over 1 is equivalent to 24 over 2, which is equivalent to 36 over 3, which is equivalent to 48 over 4, and it keeps going and going. So make sure that you understand ratios by doing scale factor. So this right here is a scale factor. And scale factor, you either multiply or divide. So basically, all you're doing is looking for equivalent ratios. And they're the same as when you look for equivalent fractions. So make sure you understand ratio tables, and the rest of the problems you're going to do on your own. So hopefully you guys are able to do this, and hopefully this is an easy day for you. So if you have any questions, make sure you ask me or Ms. Summit or Dr. Tate, and that should be everything for today.